Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I am your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 23rd March 2021. So, this analysis and stock recommendation is for 23rd March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with a new list of stocks. So, let's get started. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So, we can see that I have already mentioned the name of the first stock, and it's Prudential. So Prudential is the first stock, and the last traded price of Prudential is 1527. Okay, and here you can see that there is a resistance here. Okay, on the daily chart, and the resistance is at 1530 level. So yesterday Prudential tried to cross the daily resistance, but it failed, and ultimately it had to close just below the daily resistance. So today again, if it tries to cross the resistance, okay, then we can go for a buy. But there are certain conditions, let me discuss. Okay, but this is the level that you need to look for. Okay, first, if there is a gap up open, okay, if there is a gap up open and the stock opens above this level or in this level 1535 level, just wait for 15-30 minutes. Just observe the price. If you see that after 15-30 minutes stock is trading comfortably, that means that there is no such issue. Okay, and it will be an indication that the resistance has become the support now. Okay, and on the other hand, if the stock gives a breakout during the trading session and crosses the level, okay, then also you need to wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support. Okay, then only you should go ahead and buy. So 1535 is the level for Prudential. The next stock is Aviva. Beautiful stock, beautiful uptrend. Already I have told in my previous videos that it's a very beautiful stock. The last traded price of Aviva is 397.5. Okay, and the stock is trading very much comfortably above the daily support, which is at 390 level. Okay, so 390 level, it has got daily support. That's a good news. Okay, in case today you find that the stock is going down, and if it hits the 390 level, okay, then just observe the price. If you see that the stock is bouncing back from 390 level, then that will be a clear indication that yes, 390 is still a valid support, and yes, you can buy at 390. On the other hand, on the other hand, if the stock goes up, okay, if the stock goes up, then you need to look for this level, 399.6, or let's round it up to 400. Okay, so if you get the stock above 400 level and you see that the stock is doing great, bulls are controlling or dominating the market, then you can go for a buy above 400. Okay, so this is the second stock, and the third stock is Standard Chartered. For Standard Chartered, you can see that it has formed a spinning top or a doji kind of a pattern yesterday. Okay, and the last traded price is 486.6. Okay, whenever there is a doji kind of a pattern, it suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. Market may go up or market may go down. So in that case, where you need to execute the trade? Okay, 491.3 on the upside and 481.5 on the downside. Okay, so if you get the stock above 491.3 level, it's a buy, and if you get the stock below 481.5 level, it's a sell. In case you buy above 491.3 level, your target price will be 497, and in case you short the stock, your target price will be 472. Okay, target 497, and if you short, then it will be 472. So this is the level. Okay, and in case we find a stock trading between 491.3 and 480 or 481.7, I'm talking about this range. Okay, then that's your no trading zone. You do not need to trade. Okay, So let's jump to the fourth stock. It's Vodafone. Vodafone Group. Let me erase these figures and let me write Voda. Okay, so this is the fourth stock for the day, Vodafone. Last traded price 132.6, and you can see that Vodafone has formed a doji on the daily chart, and it has closed just below the daily resistance. It tried to cross, or it tried to close above the daily resistance, but it failed, and ultimately it closed below the daily resistance. So these are the two levels that we need to keep your eyes on. Okay, so the first level is, as it has given a closing below the resistance, so there is a chance that it will cross, or it will uh, give us some selling side, okay, selling trades. So the first is 131.7. If you get the stock below 131.7, okay, if you get the stock below this figure and you see that yes, there are spot some good selling pressure, you see that the stock is being dominated by sellers, then you can short the stock below 131.7 level. And on the other hand, if you get the stock above 134 level, okay, 134 is the level, but this level is very crucial because see, yesterday it made a high, okay, but it failed, and ultimately it closed also below the daily resistance. So if the stock gives or crosses the 134 level or this daily resistance, then just make sure that stock is trading comfortably above the daily resistance for 30 minutes at least. Okay, let the stock feel comfortable, let the resistance become the support. Okay, otherwise if you get the stock below 131.7 level, just sell it, go for shorting the stock. So the fifth stock, or the last stock for the day, is MNG. Let me write the name here for your convenience. For MNG, you can see that the last traded price is 200.3, and yesterday it has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Again, a spinning top kind of a pattern, but with good price rejection from below. Okay, so well, the good news is here that it has given closing just above the daily support level. Okay, so that's the good news. So what shall we do then? We will look for buying opportunity on the stock above this level. So if you get the stock above 201 level and you see that the stock is doing great, it is trading comfortably above 201 level, it's a buy. Okay, so 201 is the price that you need to keep your eyes on for M and G. So these are the 5 stocks for today, 23rd March 2021. Hopefully you have liked the video, and if you have found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.